No internet connection problem. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So actually there is two ways to fix this problem. The first way is you have to open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager, go to apps, and now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do here is scroll until you find TikTok and then click on it like this. And now all what you want to do here is just click on the force stop option and then go down to the data usage. Make sure that the Wi-Fi and the mobile data are enabled. That's the first way. The second way is you have to go into the settings again, open the wireless and networks, and then go to the airplane mode, enable it and disable it. And the last way that it may help you, you have just to go to the Wi-Fi and change the network that you are connected to. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.